Welcome to 5 minutes of sheeting. In our fourth session we will show you the basic workflow at Folio Sheeter. First I want to give you an overview about the most important elements of the screen. Like in most other TIPS production applications, the screen is separated in 3 parts. In the upper block you can find some run information like run number, pattern number and the grade. Also needed production amounts and production progress are visible. In the second area you can see the current backstand with all mounted rows. Functions for creating and modifying the backstands are located here. At the bottom you can find the pattern and the set log. Be aware that each track is a pile on a pallet and each pile corresponds to a unit item. If a pallet has 2 or more piles, TIPS bundles the unit item inside a set. Bundling between 2 sets is also possible, but has to be done manually. Let's have a look on the complete workflow in our demo system. First we have to activate a pattern. We press the Prepare Pattern button and open the Run list. Here we choose a pattern from the Find Blend Pattern schedule. Normally you choose the first item in the list, but you have also the possibility to select another pattern. Finally, we prepare and activate the pattern. Second step is to create a backstand. We open the Edit Backstand screen and scan our input material roles or select them from the unit item report form. When the active flag is set, the backstand will be activated immediately. You have the possibility to prepare additional backstands in advance. When active flag is not set, the backstand is added to a queue for later activation. You can modify these backstands anytime. Go in the Edit Backstand form and open the backstand queue. You can change the role order or add and remove roles there. Now we want to register a set. In our example, 2 piles will be on a pallet, so the tracks are bundled. After pressing Turn Up button, the Sheeter Set Ready form opens. You have different possibilities to enter booking information. When we now go to the set log, we see that we have 2 bundled pallets, each with 2 piles. Let's mount a new backstand. The backstand deactivation form opens and you can insert the amount of used sheets or reams per pile from the current backstand for the running pallets. The system calculates the remaining rest length and you can decide whether this amount should stay on core or is pulped. After pressing OK, the backstand queue pops up and you can choose the next backstand for activation. In the tab Input Usage, you can see the part from previous backstand which is used for the running pallets. When you now register the set, you will first consume the paper from the old backstand before paper length from the actual backstand is reduced. When you have to change a single roll, it is not necessary to dismount the complete backstand. The deactivation form is the same. but instead of the backstand queue, the active unit item screen appears, where you can just enter a unit item number or select from unit item report form.